All right, we should be live. Welcome, everyone. Thank you for joining in today. Um, so today's live stream is going to be basically showing you guys final, um, the final designs for the babies today, for the baby Cashemons. Um, we're gonna probably see if anybody, again, if you have any questions about Cashemons or anything like that, please feel free to ask.
Yeah.
As Hydra is on here too today. So if you have any technical questions, he is your guy to answer all of those for you. Um, so let's see if anybody comments anything in the chat here. Again, welcome everyone. Thank you for tuning in. Um, uh, let's see here. Again, I apologize for my camera. We found out what the issue is. It's when I'm screen sharing anything, it causes my screen or my camera to kind of get all wonky. So nothing I can do about that for the platform that we're using for this call. Hey, Jason. Good afternoon. Brian, thanks for tuning in. Good afternoon, man. Glad to see you guys are in here. This shouldn't be a very long stream, I wouldn't think, because Hydra, I know he's busy coding and stuff like that. So I kind of want to make this a little bit shorter today. But I
I
want to
have
start.
time.
What was that?
I have time.
Oh, you have time? Okay, cool. All right. So basically we're going to start off. You guys have seen the baby rabbit Cashemon. If you haven't, well, this is the final version of what he's going to look like, or she's going to look like. You can definitely see like the different kind of shaders, things like that added to the final version. It gives it more of a 3D appeal. We're very happy with the designs for the new baby Cashemon, as I think you guys will be too. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the side pose they sent us of what the baby rabbit looks like. I think they're going to apply this same concept to most of the characters too. I believe the character designs that we have, I'm looking at them right now. I think they are all in the same side stance here. Hey Barry, nice to see you here. Um,
Hi, Barry.
Can you see the comments too, Hydra?
Yes.
Okay, awesome. Very cool, very cool. All right, so the next one you guys have not seen. The next one from the baby rabbit on are all new designs. You guys have not seen this. So the next one is going to be the baby falcon. Um, this is the baby falcon. Um, I like him. I think he's really cool. Um, I love the little brush strokes that they added to the design, giving him more of, like he has fur or feathers, and he is a baby, right? So we do not have the teen version yet, and we do not have the adult version. But as you have seen the rabbit adult version and the sketch of the turtle version, the adult versions are going to look more, I would say, aggressive, beastly, ready for battle style. So, um, but right now, again, babies are meant to be cute, so these are what the babies are going to look like. So the next art style of the baby lizard is going to be this one. A huge revamp versus the very first
That's
model that
true.
we had. You couldn't even tell it was a lizard. Now you can tell he's a lizard. Um, he's got his little tail and everything. He got the big bug eyes, just like the other one. But now, like I said, you can tell that he's an actual lizard now. So that's really cool. Again, he is the baby. I'm kind of I'm kind of anxious to see what his adult version is going to look like. I think it would look pretty cool. So there's the baby lizard design for you guys. The next one is the baby turtle. This little guy. Um, as you can see, they added like the turtle effects here to his skin, the little splotches, his shell, which I like the color scheme that they added to the shell, which is really cool. J- Jason, your comment, man. Killing me. Yeah, so the baby turtle here, I like him. You know, he's cute. And you guys have seen the rough sketch of what he's going to look like when he's an adult. We do not have the teens yet. So, but again, I like him. I think he's really cool. Now, Hydra's and our favorite Cashemon is the dragon. And so this is going to be the baby dragon. So
I love it. Absolutely.
yes, huge,
I
huge.
can't wait for it to see the adult version of it.
I think he's going to look cool. The adult
Yeah.
version, I think, is going to look really cool. So that is the baby dragon. It's got tiny little wings, really cool. You see the scales, the effects for the scales and stuff like that. So Jason's like, it's Spyro. Yeah, we said the same thing. Spyro, he has bigger horns, but yeah, he's kind of like the he kind of looks like Spyro in a way, a little bit, with the color and stuff like that. But I like him. I think he's really cool. So yeah, those are the final versions of the babies, guys. Those are the 5 baby Cashemon. And yeah, hopefully you guys are all happy with the new designs. They are definitely a big revamp from the originals. Barry asks, will the adult version get 3 heads? We don't know. I mean, that might be something that if Hydra would like them to do, possibly. But we could see. It depends on what What do you think, Hydra? Do you think the dragon should have 3 heads, or should he just have one cool looking body design?
For me, I think they should make one for me with 3 heads, but the normal dragon should have 1 head.
Yeah.
But at least very aggressive and bad looking.
Yeah. No, I agree with that. I like that idea. So we got B was I'm not going to repeat what you said with the first part, but tune in just as the baby designs are over. I can re-show you all the baby designs, so don't worry. I will go through them. That's why we're doing this live stream for you guys. And then Jason says that he doesn't know how he feels about the baby turtle. Adult version is on point. Well, again, remember, the babies are meant to be cute, right? The babies are the babies. I like him. I think he represents an infant style baby turtle. And then as they get older, they get more rugged looking, more beastly looking, and ready
You
for
can
battle.
perhaps pull out the adult sketch of the turtle.
Okay, yeah. So give me 1 second here, guys. I will go ahead and add that to the slideshow here. 1 second. All right. So the adult sketch, let's go at the beginning here. The adult sketch is going to look like this. Whoops, sorry about that, guys. Microsoft, for some reason, their PowerPoint slide their PowerPoint slide tool is garbage. So then this is, like I said, this is going to be the adult sketch. So he's going to look really cool when he's an adult. Again, we don't have any of the teenagers yet, but we wanted to focus on getting the baby designs as fast as possible. So then the next meeting we have with them, we confirm the baby designs look really good. Then we can go ahead and focus on finishing up all the details that need to be for the A game so that we can get it out here within hopefully a month or even less. That's the goal. So with the finalized versions of the babies, we're hoping that will be either a month or less now that we can have the A game coming out. Not the full game, but the pregame, the A game. Okay. So give me 1 second here. Let me catch up with some of these. Feel they took the head on the adult version. Well, I mean, it is what it is, man. I don't know what to tell you. I mean, they They definitely revamped from the original turtle. I'm okay with it. I'm happy with it. I mean, the only thing I can really tell you guys, if you don't like a certain Cashmon, don't get them. I don't, and they're not going to be babies forever. I'm just being
Yeah,
real with
I
you.
just wanted to say they don't want babies forever.
Yeah, I mean, if you don't like the baby version, well, try to do all the missions and stuff to evolve them as quick as you can, and then you don't have to look at them anymore. So, I mean, there you go. Yeah, so B, let me go ahead and show you again. So these are the baby rabbit, or this is the baby rabbit design. Um, this is a total revamp from the very first one. We got a side pose of the baby rabbit. You can see that they added little, fur details, given him like a 3D appeal, everything like that. This is the baby falcon. Um, Total revamp from the very original one. We got the baby lizard, and you can actually tell it's a lizard now, which is really cool. Um, the baby turtle, and then we have the baby dragon, which is again Hydra, my favorite Cashemon here.
Yeah.
So the new, Jason says he does want the turtle. Okay. The new adult turtle is significantly better than the previous version. Yes, we agree to that too.
Yeah.
Significant. Leo Camp says, "Will there be easy to purchase and stake our sale?" Do you want to go ahead and answer that one for Leo there, Hydra? Oh, Hydra's internet kind of goes in and out sometimes, guys. So wait until he gets back, and then he'll be able to answer that for you. And the lizard looks like a lizard now, and not an amoeba. Yes. Yeah.
I think I'm back now. So
Yeah. Hydra, could you
okay.
answer Leo Camp's question there?
Yeah. So it's really easy. You just go to the website for the egg game, and then you connect your wallet and you buy an egg. The egg prices will be your first 3 eggs will cost $50 worth of soul cash each, and after the third egg, so you up from your fourth egg, it will cost 50,000 soul cash. You just buy it, and then it goes into your wallet. And yeah.
Yeah, everything is going to be on our own platform too. It's all going to be a centralized platform. So it'll be very easy for you guys. So no need to worry. I'm just going back here, showing you guys the designs again. How many do we have tuning in right now, Hydra?
11 people.
Okay, cool. Very
Yep,
cool.
it's nice.
Hopefully more will tune in so you guys can see this live. But again, thank you for all the questions, guys. We appreciate that.
Yeah, I really like it to answer the questions in the live stream. It's cool.
So if you guys have any other questions for us about pertaining to Cashemons or CASHVerse or Ada Cash, Soul Cash, any of that, or the egg game or anything, please let us know. Larry Griffin says, "Thanks for the update. I'm a fan of the turtle. It's like a bulletproof Tesla. Badass." Yeah. Let me show you guys really quick for some of you that are not familiar with the original designs. Give me 1 second here. I'll actually show you the original design so that you guys can see that.
Test. Let me meanwhile answer the question of free gender. How do you guarantee the first 3 eggs will be $50? Do we purchase them with Theta? That's basically really easy because our platform, our website, will calculate in real time $50 worth of soul cash, and then you just have to buy the price of Soul Cash for the egg. It's simple.
Yeah, and you don't buy them with tether. Yes, I did show all the updated drawings, but I will go ahead and show you guys again. I'm just showing you right now. Let me go ahead and show you the original designs. So these were the original designs. You can't tell he's a lizard. Whoops. Sorry, guys. Like I said, I don't know why the slideshow does this. The turtle, the falcon, the rabbit, and the dragon. Those were the very first drawings. Of course, they didn't have like a 3D effect to them or anything like that. No extra added shaders or anything. They were very basic and simple. And as you see now with the new designs here, you know, they're very much updated. So I'll go through these again really fast, and then we'll continue answering some questions. So again, these are the baby rabbits or the baby rabbit. There's two different versions here: one sideways pose, one a straight on pose for the baby rabbit. The next is the baby falcon. The next drawing is for the baby lizard. So, and I just actually noticed they added some detail to his back here and his tail. I did not notice that before, which is good. More detail, the better. The next one is the baby turtle. And then the last one is the baby dragon. So very, very cute little guy. So Jason asks a question here. Will there still be a 15% tax?
Let me answer that. So
Yep.
basically, for you, not. You pay the 50,000 Soul Cash exactly. And in this 50,000 Soul Cash, the tax is integrated and it's on us. So once the transaction is done, there will be the 50% tax on your 50,000 Soul Cash, but you don't have to pay 50% more to pay 50,000 Soul Cash for an egg. So it's integrated. Like if you go to a shopping mall and buy anything, the tax is already in the price of the product.
What else questions here do we got? Leo Camp again says, can you get Soul Cash from Pancake Swap or just through staking Ada Cash? So you could get it through Pancake Swap, or if you stake your Ada Cash, you can get Soul Cash that way too as well. So you can either stake your Ada Cash and continue to earn your rewards in Cardano, BEP20, harvest Soul Cash and get Solana BEP20, or you can go ahead and purchase Soul Cash solely itself.
Yeah, just go to our website, CASHVerse.io, click on our tokens in the menu, click on Soul Cash, and then buy Soul Cash now. You get redirected to Pancake Swap, and then you can buy it.
One second, guys. Go. They all look real cool. Yeah, I like the designs. I'm very happy with them. They've come a long way. Definitely have come a long way. And then they're also, these new designs are going to be for the new logo too. So once we get the new logo, you guys will be able to see that too as well. So we are going to have them updated with all the new baby Cashemon as well. So it'll look good. Oh, someone likes you, Hydra.
Yeah.
Mosin. Then we got Barry. Can we customize our Cashemons in the future? So with the game, how it's going to play, we haven't really gotten that far yet. And the reason why we haven't gotten that far, because when we were developing the game, we decided to come up with also the egg game as well. So the documentation for the main game, we got that. However, it is dated to this date. And the reason why is because we kind of put that on postpone right now, on hold, so that we can focus on getting the A game out, the pregame for you guys out now. And then once the A game is out, we're going to go ahead and full send again on the main game itself. So there's not a lot of details on how customizable can you do it yourself for the character, how many attachments can you attach, things of that nature. You will be able to, when you battle, obtain loot, kind of like loot drops if you play video games. But that doesn't mean every battle you will get a loot item, right? So let's say if it did drop a sword, it could be a basic sword, it could be all the way up to like an epic or a legendary sword, and you could equip it to your Cashemon. Of course, again, we will provide more details when we get into the main game. Okay, so as of right now, we've just put that on hold for right now until this is out. Larry Griffin, wonder what would happen if you breed the turtle with the rabbit. There is no crossbreeding. There is no crossbreeding. So definitely want to let you guys know that. Like I said, we're taking aspects from Pokemon and we're bringing it in here. You will see, if you played the original Game Boy games, you will see a similarity with the user interface when you're battling, things of that nature. Again, we're bringing aspects, ideas from Pokemon and putting them in here. And one of the aspects and ideas, there is no crossbreeding in Pokemon. Okay, there's no crossbreeding here. The reason, and that isn't the full reason why there's no crossbreeding. You also have to realize the complexity of creating every unique NFT when you do crossbreeding, which would push the game even further out. And we didn't apply that to this. So B, unrelated question. When the CASHVerse wallet goes live, since the tax is on buy and sells only, if we transfer from Trust Wallet to CASHVerse wallet, there's no tax. Is that
Let
correct?
me
Or
answer that quickly.
yeah,
So you have to think a bit as, because first of all, you have a tax on buy, sales, and transactions, and the wallet is not a contract or anything which I could whitelist, so you don't have to pay taxes on it. A wallet, it doesn't matter if Trust Wallet or Binance Wallet, whatever, it's just an UI which makes it easy for you to read what's going on the blockchain. So the tax stuff and everything I can't change with an own wallet. It will still be the tokenomics on the contract from AdaCash and SoulCash. So there won't change anything if we have an own wallet, for example. It just will be perhaps more usability for you, or easier to handle, like Trust Wallet or whatever. But the taxes and stuff and tokenomics and everything will still be the same, because a wallet is not a contract or anything. It's just a UI which translates the blockchain for your eyes to read.
he's having some network issues. Give him 1 second, guys. He'll be right back.
What? Again? I'm still here.
Yeah, you're back now. Yep, you're back now.
Okay. Where did I stop to speak?
You were saying that it's the same user. It's a UI, and it's basically with the contract is all the same.
Yeah, so the tokenomics and everything from buy, sell, and transaction will still be the same. A wallet is just a UI which translates the blockchain readable for your eyes. So yeah, there still will be the taxes and stuff. A wallet is not a contract which I could whitelist or whatever, to make it easy to understand.
So there you go. There you go, guys. Yvonne says, "Don't be caught asleep, guys. Buy Soul Cash now. Prices will rocket, and you will cry dollars." And we got Yvonne. Nice. Let's see here. Free gender. I have to stick my eggs. I have to stick my eggs for them to hatch. or stake. I think you meant stake your eggs to hatch. And if I never stake them, will they never hatch? And they will always stay as eggs. You want to answer that, Hydra?
Yeah, so you don't have to stake or stick or whatever your eggs. You just have to keep in your wallet for 5 days, and then they will hatch automatically. It's very easy.
Yep. No staking involved. So, I don't know how many people have just tuned in, but I'm going to go ahead and go through the baby
15,
Cashemon
16
again.
people. It's going up now.
Oh, nice. Well, thank you everyone for tuning in. Welcome. We are showing the baby Cashemon final designs right now. I'm just going to go through them. These are the baby rabbit. This is the baby Falcon. The updated baby lizard. Those are the original drawings. The baby turtle. And we got the baby dragon. So those are all the new baby Cashemons. We're very happy about the artwork and the we'll call them the new 3.0 versions because they've been revised several times already.
Yeah.
So, does anybody have any other questions for Hydra or myself while we're live right now? Again, thank you for everyone tuning in right now. It does mean a lot to us. We very much appreciate it. Thank you, Christian. He said, awesome. And B, not a problem, man. I'm glad we could answer that for you. And then Leo Camp says, what are the benefits if you do or if you can stake the eggs?
Why are people asking about staking at the moment? We never told or said anything about staking of eggs or whatever. Later on in the main game, there will be a possibility to stake your Cashemons. But for the egg game, you just can buy the eggs for a cheap price right now before the pump comes, and you can hatch them to your actual baby Cashemons, and you can see if they're legendary or whatever, or basics, and so on. And you will have the opportunity daily for spinning a wheel on the website and earn some in-game currency, which you can use later on in the main game for whatever we will use it for. The details we will announce it when it's ready. But we didn't say anything about staking the eggs or whatever. You just can buy them, you can hatch them, and you can then later on in the main game use them to level them up, to evolve them, and everything.
Yeah,
and also there will just be a limited amount of eggs you can buy in the egg game, so that we won't give away every eggs which will be available on the total main game. So who gets them now once the egg game is out is definitely early and can have some luck.
Yep. So we got another question here from Christian. How do I'm assuming you're asking how do you get the eggs? So when the egg game comes out, you will be able to purchase them. Now, I'm not going to get into too much of the details on how to purchase them and what the cost is going to be. We did do another video of that answering all those questions. I believe it was on Monday or Tuesday of this week. If you want to go ahead and watch that, Hydra and myself did a live stream. We answered all the questions. So please go ahead and watch that video because I'm pretty sure all your questions will be answered in that one about how to get the eggs, how much they'll cost, how many can you have in a wallet, and all of that was answered. So this one is mainly just focused on showing you guys the Cashemon designs and just answering new questions. So, when you see how cute the baby turtle is and how badass the adult one is, I can't imagine the dragon how the dragon will look. Yeah, I know. I'm pretty excited to see how the dragon, all of them actually. I mean, if you think about it, the rabbit looks good. The turtles looks already cool with the sketch. I can only imagine what the dragon's going to look like, the lizard, and also the baby falcon when they turn into adult. Like I can imagine all of them are going to look pretty cool. Um, so not that we want to make it hard for everyone to pick and choose the baby Cashemon because how cool they look or whatever. But I mean, it does really add that, appeal, people wanting all of them because they all look cool at the end. Free Gender asks, how will Ada Cash be used in the game? Also, I will try to proofread my stupid talking text. It's okay, man. It's not a problem. We've explained this one too, but again, we don't have all the fine details for this yet because, like I've mentioned prior, we postponed working on the main game to develop the egg game and get it out as soon as possible for you guys. As soon as it is out, we are going to continuously work on the main game. Ada Cash, all I can tell you right now, Ada Cash is going to play a big part in the game of buying purchased items to either heal your character, your Cashemon, many other ways to use Ada Cash, and also for the betting mechanism. So when you're battling, say, another person, you guys will be able to place bets. So like if I want to battle one of you guys and you want to battle me and you place a bet for like 100 million Ada Cash, I can match you and go, okay, I'm going to place down 100 million Ada Cash. And let's say you beat my Cashemon. Well, you get your 100 million Ada Cash back and you get my 100 million Ada Cash back, right? So you just made 100 million Ada Cash because you placed that bet and you won, right? So there's going to be those kind of aspects in the game too as well, right? It's just if you think you can beat your opponent and you want to place a bet, then they can match it or they can place a bet more. And then you guys can battle it out. And if they win, well, you lost that much, right? Or they lost it, and now it's your Ada Cash. So
Also, sorry,
go ahead.
speak.
No, go ahead, Hydra.
Also, Ada Cash staking will play a big role in the future because the price of Soul Cash won't be this cheap very long at the rate of people buy Soul Cash to buy X and whatever. So you will be able or more smart to buy Ada Cash for right now is cheap or later on perhaps cheaper to earn your Soul Cash to be able to use it in your in-game or buy eggs or whatever. So Ada Cash definitely will already have a bigger use case just for earning Soul Cash to get the eggs from the NFT game, from the egg game and stuff. So every Ada Cash is everywhere. Definitely, it's our main
Yeah.
token. Will ever be our main token, and definitely you will see it in the in-game. And yeah,
Yep. Leo Camp, nice. Thank you guys for the patience. Yeah, not a problem, man. Not a problem. XRP, what's up, XRP? Glad to see you here, man. Eric says, hello, guys. Hey, man.
hi.
Good to have you here. Jason asks, will the A game have the ability to raise baby to teen? I want to say no. And the reason why I want to say no, we'll have to confirm it. I want to confirm it 100% with the team. But the reason why I'm going to say no is because the A game is just meant for you guys to collect your Cashemon. If you want to sell the basic ones, you can resell them or trade them and try to, get a legendary before the actual game comes out and when they hatch, because it's mainly going to be used for collecting and hatching them and seeing which ones you get. And then the main game is where you'll be able to start doing quests and things like that to level up your baby for them to evolve into a teen, and then continuously do that and then evolve into their adulthood, right? So unless Hydra can confirm for me, we're not, that's the purpose of the A game versus the main game, is just basically to collect your Cashemon now, hatch them, see if you get legendaries, because again, they're worth more value, and just collect them right now until the main game comes out. Am I correct with
Yeah.
that?
So at the moment, it's like you said it. The main reason of the egg game is to collect the eggs, to hatch them to babies, to see what you
Mhm.
get, to trade your eggs or your baby Cashemons, and to already collect in-game currency on daily basis with the spin wheel to be able to start in-game already with some of free money.
Yep, exactly. Oh God, the betting part of it is not going to be good for my gambling addiction. And my body is ready to lose my entire bag through betting. Well, at least your body's ready for it. XRP says he has 2 wallets ready for 20 eggs. Nice, man.
Nice.
And then Christian was asking here, do you guys have a total of eggs that are coming out? Yes, 30,000. 30,000 for the egg game. And then for the main game, there's going to be way more. Okay, but 30,000 just for the egg game. And then Free Gender says, as soon as you get the egg, will you know what creature is inside? If you have a rabbit egg or a dragon egg, yes, you will be able to pick and choose what Cashemon you want.
On the egg game.
Yes, on the egg game. You'll be able to pick and choose, but you won't know if it's a legendary. So you can buy all 10 eggs and have all basic Cashemon. Again,
Exactly.
there's
We'll know it after 5 days once they hatch.
yeah, once they hatch, you'll know. So I would try to go for legendaries if that's the type of player you want. And if you're a collector, go for the legendaries because, again, they are worth more. And as you play the main game, I will tell you, as they become adults and you equipped it with legendary items, well, if you were to resell that Cashemon, let's say, on our platform, and you have it equipped it with, let's say, body armor that's legendary, a sword that's legendary, and you throw it on there and it has certain traits that someone is looking for, you possibly could sell it for a lot of money. So I know I'm going to look for legendaries because I'm an extremist. I just want legendaries. So I'm probably going to spend some money on it with coming out of my wallet. XRP, what'd he say? Juice gonna get eggs until he finds him a legendary. Exactly. I want that legendary, man. Christian says, have you guys said where the drop is going to be happening and the price? Yes, like I've said, the price, we have already discussed this in a previous video of this week. If you want to go ahead and rewatch that video, we answered all the prices and all the questions and such like that. But I will basically just tell you really quick, 3 eggs, fixed price, $50 worth of soul cash. After that, it's a fixed price of 50,000 soul cash. So, and the drop is going to be on our platform. We're going to have a website. It's going to be on our website on CASHVerse. You'll be able to access it, and we're going to have our own marketplace and everything. It's going to be our centralized platform for it. So, but let me go through the babies again, just for newcomers here. I'll even show you the adult sketch of the turtle. This is the adult
This
sketch
one
of the
looks
turtle.
so badass. I love it.
I know. I'm wondering if he even still has his turtle shell or it just fell off because he became so big.
Yeah.
Because you can't see it. uh, what if there was like a legendary drop that you got and it was actually his turtle shell as a shield?
Oh yeah, that would be it's just unique. One person can get it.
Oh my god! Could you imagine the value of what that would be
Oh
worth
yes.
if you were to resell it? Oh, that'd be crazy. But yeah, here's the babies. Here's the baby rabbit. Here's a side view of him. We got the baby Falcon. Then we got the baby lizard. He doesn't look like an amoeba now. And what I mean by that, that used to be what he looked like. And now that's what he looks like. So you can definitely tell he's a lizard. And then we got baby turtle here. I kind of want to call him Steve for some reason. I don't know. He looks like a Steve to me. I don't know. Or Franklin the turtle. And then we got baby dragon here. I love the baby dragon. He's my favorite. I also have, well, you can't see him because I have a background, but I have
Franklin
dragon
is
statues behind me. Franklin. For the turtle?
Yeah, Franklin is nice.
There used to be a cartoon back in the day. There was a turtle show. It was called Franklin, and he was a turtle. XRP, will we be able to fight in the game on mobile iOS? So not right now, no. The game is going to be mobile friendly on the browser, so you can play it on like Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome, whatever, or Safari. You'll be able to play it on your phone through the browser. Now, if the game does really well and people are really loving it and everything like that, then we're going to, Hydra said that we're going to talk to the team and we'll see if we can get it developed to be a mobile game. So, but of course, that's probably going to cost way more money. And we want to make sure it's going to be worth the money. If the game does really well, then it would be worth the money, right? B asked, yeah, the game is mobile optimized, not app, through a web browser, I think. Yes. No, actually, you are right. No app. Like I said, it is mobile optimized through the browser, the web browser. Yes, you are correct, B. Jason said Tyrone the turtle. Tyrone the turtle. And then we got free gender here. Asked, when the game comes out, will you guys do a marketing campaign? I hope you don't, because 30,000 eggs is not a lot.
Free gender. If you do the math, 30,000 eggs. If we just ignore the $50 for the first 3 eggs, to buy all of the eggs, it would be 1.5 billion soul cash to buy them all. We don't even have 1.5 billion soul cash in the circulation right now. So I think if every person would spend all his soul cash to buy eggs, there would be still around 60,000 eggs on the egg game which are not able to buy. So people have to stake or buy soul cash and cash to get the egg. So we definitely do some marketing and stuff.
Yep. Yeah, and that's the thing. That's only for the egg game. That's not for the main game. There's going to be way more eggs for the egg game. And to say that you hope we don't do marketing, I mean, well, I mean, we're going to do marketing. We want you guys we want new people to join. We want people to play our game, right? I mean, that's kind of pointless to build a product and not show and try to get that out there to people to actually use it. I mean, that's kind of a waste of money, right? I mean, we spent over $200,000 for a company to produce this game for you guys, and you don't want us to do marketing to get more people to come to the project to play it? I mean, 30,000 eggs is quite a bit. And then the main game, there's going to be even more eggs. Yeah, I'm sorry. It's kind of like, come on, we want people to come in and play this game, right? If you're afraid that it's going to sell out, well, I mean, I don't know what to tell you. Maybe buy up Soul Cash right now while it's cheap, and make sure you have enough to buy up 10 eggs or 20 eggs. I mean, that's the easiest way to tell you, man. Because Soul Cash is created through proof of stake.
I don't know if you did any research about our projects, but Soul Cash started with 200 million Soul Cash on PancakeSwap, and the rest of the of the 800 million Soul Cash are in the staking, which you only can get if you stake ADA Cash. And the staking pool is going over 3 years, so you can imagine it needs a bit of time to get them all.
Yeah, yeah, and the way we have it set up too, we have certain percentages structured up so the price, like say when you do the soul cash, and for our project there's going to be a certain amount of soul cash getting put back into the staking, so it's actually going to extend the staking even longer for 3 years. So the more people keep playing, the staking platform gets extended longer and longer, so you never have to unstake. So the more people that keep playing the game, it just keeps, it's kind of like recycling, right? It's a, like,
Yeah,
if you look at the recycling bin and the diagram, how it works, it goes around in a circle, or actually it's like a triangle. It's the same concept, right? So the staking platform could be extended even further for you guys too. So that means more money coming in. Remember, our project, if you haven't done the research, please look at the website. For the love of God, please look at the website. But if you have, thank you. But our project is built on bringing you as the investor passive income. Everything we are building here is like a giant circle, okay? And it all interconnects all the way at the back of the beginning, right? To bring you
yeah,
guys passive income, to make you guys money for holding and investing, right?
exactly. And don't forget, passive income doesn't mean you make a shit ton of money within some weeks or months. The end game, or the final goal to achieve, is to make enough money every month with passive income to live off it, and don't need to go working anymore, or at least not as much as we currently do.
Yeah, yeah. I've I don't know, how much I've stressed that in so many videos. I made videos specifically on our YouTube channel discussing and explaining how passive income works. If you have not watched those videos, please do. I explain it in very, very fine detail of how passive income works and the whole purpose of passive income and the purpose of our project. So, Free Gender was like, don't market until I'm level 100. All right. And XRP, catch you in the Telegram. Got to get back to work. All right, man. I'll see you later. Thank you for tuning in. Appreciate it. And then we got Late But Jay here. Love the pics and updates. When you fixing that camera? So we found out what the issue is with my camera. The camera is fine. What's, for some reason, because we're using StreamYard right now for Hydra and myself to be on here together and to see the chat live. For some reason, I don't know if it's on their end or what, but it's only when I'm screen sharing something on my computer now, it causes my camera to get like how it is. If I do not screen share this, my camera will be instantly fixed. We tested it. Can't tell you why. It doesn't do it on OBS. It doesn't do it on anything else. And it, like I said, doesn't do anything until I start screen sharing. So I'm thinking it's something on their platform here, and they need to fix it. XRP putting Soul Cash back in the staking bag is genius. Yep, and that's what we're doing. So
Plain and simple, we are doing genius jobs.
I'm gonna pull up the dragon again because I like the dragon. He looks
Yeah.
cool. Weird, good to know. Makes you look like a hologram. Well, maybe I am a hologram, and Hydra actually coded me and built me, so I'm the face that he wants you to see while he's behind the camera. See?
Yeah.
I'm just an AI hologram, guys.
Let me quickly make some boobs.
Add some long hair too. My chest starts getting real big here. I'm like, whoa. Oh man. Oh man, this is turning into a different. It's a YouTube after dark.
Yeah.
Jay, mind blown.
Are there more
Yeah,
questions for us? Tell me.
yeah. Do you guys have any other questions for Hydra or myself? How many people do we have in here right now, currently watching?
Currently 15.
Okay, cool. That's good.
It's
That's
cool,
good.
yeah.
Really quick, guys, please, if you're new to the channel, if you're new to the live stream, please give it a like after this. And also, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. We are at 920 subscribers. We're trying to get that 1,000 mark because it seems like once you hit 1,000, you start to reach out to a bigger audience on YouTube. And that's our goal here, right? We want to bring everyone into Ada Cash, Soul Cash, CASHVerse, see the Cashemon game that we're building. We just want everyone to be able to have the ability to earn passive income, right? And so, if you could help us out by, either retweeting, resharing this YouTube video, sharing our channel, subscribing, giving some likes, comments, even. I've been trying to read everyone's comments. I do like them. I try to like all of your comments. So that is me liking them. I am reading them. Sometimes I just don't have the time to respond back, but I do see all the feedback, guys, and I very much appreciate it. So thank you. Free Gender said, just to be clear, I have to buy the fire NFT to keep the eggs from while they're being staked. LOL. So the dragon can go to the staking pool, pick up the bags, and come back with the princess. And they put JK. Sure. Yeah, I guess. I don't know what else to say. That I don't know what princess. Can't be Princess Peach because Mario will probably get pissed, but he's already dealing with Bowser on that aspect. But yeah, again, guys, thank you for tuning in here. I appreciate it. If you guys don't have any other questions, that's fine. Not a big deal. But we do very much appreciate you guys being here. And then once we get more information, I'm sure next week we'll finalize more stuff with the team. And we will again have another live stream next week, giving you guys another update. So, Brian said Princess Derek. The dragon might actually go and return him. So give him to the leprechauns. YouTube community is growing good. Awesome decision to do this style. Appreciate the time and efforts you guys do for us. Thank you, Yvonne. Thank you. Yeah, we Hydra and I talked, and we thought this would be something really good to expand on our own channel, so that we're not paying thousands and thousands of dollars for YouTubers to just rehash what we tell them. I know a lot of you guys would probably say, well, have you looked into this YouTuber and this YouTuber? But you guys don't understand how much these people want for stupid amount of money for a ridiculously short amount of time. One person, not going to say any names, but one big YouTuber said to us that they wanted us to pay, what was it, $30,000?
Yeah.
For a 45-second ad on his channel. $30,000, where I can sit here live stream and give you guys up-to-date details as soon as we get them for you guys, and Hydra can be on here too to tell you guys from us, not some dude that we paid on YouTube to write, that we wrote it up, sent to him so he can reread it to you guys because his channel's big. Cost us nothing, and we enjoy doing this, right? We'd rather do this than pay money out of our own pocket for some ding dong to spew out what we told them to say. I mean, I'm just telling you how it is, man. It's just what it is. Free Gender, thank you for the update. Not a problem, man. Not a problem. That's what we're here for. And an Irish King laughed. I wonder how much flack I'm going to get for calling people a ding dong on anyways, guys, okay, that's enough. Remember, if you're new, please. LOL Juice said ding dong. Yes, I did. I didn't know what to say. I'm trying to keep this PG-13. So yeah, again, guys, if you're new to the channel, please give us a like or subscribe. It really will help us out grow more. Retweet it, share it wherever. Yeah, we appreciate you guys tuning in. Thank you for your questions. Hydra, do you have anything to say to the community here?
Yeah, I am hardcore coding on CryptoDate, so stay tuned within the next weeks. I'm for sure able to make some bigger announcement with more details. It's going on very, very good. Uh, as discussed with Shoes the last 2 days, I think we've finally found very, very good ways to drive volume to both tokens with this CryptoDate. And I'm very sure you're gonna like it a lot.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, stay tuned about it too. Once I can announce a bit more, I will let you know.
Actually, we just got really quick before we end the stream.
Oh yes,
Hydra, just got a question for you for that. I'll read it here and you can answer it. Are you able to disclose how CryptoDate will increase volume? I think I remember reading that it would.
Yeah, I think I can already tell you one thing how it will drive volume to it, because it doesn't say anything about the services or whatever. So basically, you have to add wallets to CryptoDate, which you want to keep CryptoDate or up to date and whatever, or use our services. There's more and much stuff you never see before anywhere. So yeah, I can't tell what services, but one wallet will be for free. You can use it for free and use some of the services for free too. But every new wallet, or if you want to add more than one wallet, you have to pay a monthly fee, which is in form of credits. And you have to buy these credits with either Cash or Soul Cash. That's one of the volume bringing option of the service.
Yeah, it's hard to explain this stuff. I see where he's having a hard time explaining this stuff because we can't disclose a lot of stuff yet.
Yeah.
So it's hard to disclose some of this without being able to disclose it, if you catch what I'm saying. Like it's just hard. It's complex, right? So
yeah, I discussed with some other people yesterday because they asked me also which services we will have and whatever. And I said I can't really tell anything about it. And then they showed me some very cool other projects, which would have been cool if they would not have been disclosed too much stuff at the beginning. Because at the same time, other projects directly started to copy the cool new stuff they invented. So for me, it's really important. We are the first ones bringing this out without disclosing too much, and I won't disclose too much, just the stuff I can. But you can be sure everything I can disclose, I will. And I'm very sure you all gonna love all the services we are delivering to you on this platform.
Yep. So, and B said thank you, and he said, "I see what you're saying. No worries." So,
cool.
All right, guys. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream then. Thanks for tuning in. We very much appreciate it, and it's always good to have Hydra on here with me to answer some of the technical questions for you guys. And I've had the feedback from last video, and you guys actually really enjoyed having him on here too. So he really he enjoyed it the first time, and
Yeah,
that's why.
definitely. It's cool to be on. I'm more often on live streams now because I really enjoy it.
So you'll probably be seeing us on here more often now, which I personally think it's better because you don't see a lot of devs from the actual project doing this type of stuff,
Yeah,
right?
that's true.
Like I've never seen it. Like they'll have things on Twitter or like voice chats, but they're not on actual YouTube doing what we're doing, right? But again, we're not trying to follow, we're trying to be leaders. We're different here. So we're not trying to follow other devs and do what they're doing. That's why we're doing everything we're doing completely different from them. So Free Gender said something really quick. Some cryptos won't even give us a roadmap or dates. You guys give us love and constant updates. Yeah, you're right. You're right, man. There's a lot of projects out there that they have either really crappy roadmaps, they're very basic and bland, or they have a roadmap but they don't disclose dates. We don't like to necessarily disclose dates, and the reason why we don't like to disclose dates is because some people take that as a promise. And so if something were to happen, like for example with us, we had to revise the character designs, which possibly could have set the game back even further. And if we would have put out a date, let's say the date was for tomorrow for the egg game to launch, well, it's not ready yet, right? With that being not ready, people then get mad because we set a date and they were expecting it to come out and it didn't come out then, and they don't want to think about and use their brain to actually think about, well, hey, maybe they had to fix something to make it better, so it got pushed back. No, they think, oh, I wanted it now and then, and you guys said it was supposed to come out, so now I'm mad at you. You're a scam. You're ripping us off, and all. People spew out nonsense out of their crap hole. So we don't want that. So we don't really set dates unless we know for sure it is 100% done and ready, and then we set the dates. But yes, I get 100% what you're
Yeah, and
saying.
also don't forget, so far, all the big things we announced, we were able to deliver on time so far, and without any problems. We launched it, it worked, and it always will be the same. So we really launch stuff once we are happy, once I'm happy, and then we go out with the stuff. Also, even if there would be a date for something or whatever, in terms of coding, you really have to understand there are sometimes just so strange bugs or errors where you just have to take another week to fix them or to code something else or whatever. Coding never or extremely rarely is you just can't point to one specific date. You can say, okay, it will be finished in this timeline, whatever, but you can be sure everything what is coded, there has to be something to be fixed or whatever. It could probably extend the delivery time. But so far, we are really doing a great work. We're working with very good people together, especially with the NFT game developers and stuff. So I am quite sure we definitely can keep the roadmap and we keep you updated anyway. So if something gets extended or pushed back, you will know it. So we are transparent with everything on this side. So yeah, don't worry about us.
Yep. And then you read the code 2 weeks later and you have no idea what the code does unless you come. Yes.
Who the fuck comments the code?
Yeah. I've written it and I'll just stare at it and say, I don't remember what the fuck it does.
It's so true. It's so true.
Yep. So, all right, guys. Well, again, thank you for tuning in. We're going to go ahead and end the stream now, give you guys back some more time and give some time back to Hydra and myself. So, again, thank you for tuning in. Please like the channel, subscribe if you don't mind. And we will go ahead and schedule another live stream here in the next few days. So you guys will see another
Yeah.
update for that. So, But again, guys, thank you again for tuning in. We very much appreciate your time. And remember, keep the positive vibes going, and we will see you guys next time. Thank you.